It's really amazing. Amazing. It's really amazing.
Really, it's fantastic to ride on Bhanga Highway, that is in Faridpur. Similar kind of road you will find also Dhaka-Mawa Highway Express. That road and this road design is little same, but the difference is here you will find lots of green. Everywhere you will find green, both sides of the road. Wherever you will see, you will find green. And what attracted me much, that is on the divider, they actually cultivated flower. And this is something like a part of a garden, flower garden, and it seemed to me fantastic. And Dhaka-Mawa Highway also there you will find green, but not that much. And it's a rainy season, so that's why the green is much more greener. Everywhere there is green, and the road is very much smooth enough, so it's fantastic actually. Literally, if you do not go there, then you will miss. So yes, you are welcome there.
Hope it's raining, but we will not change our mind. We will go. So this is the Civic Chattor. Once again, we are starting from here, but we have other teammates, and today we are starting from here. Thank you. Keep watching. Friends, still it's raining heavily, and this is Abdullahpur Toll Plaza. Look at this, and we will start. We are determined to go to Bhanga. Yeah. Nothing can stop us actually.
It is drizzling. Although it is drizzling, but we want to go there.
Yeah,
No problem.
no problem. Right, all is well.
Our journey could be a little bit smoother one if it didn't rain, but we do not have any hand on nature, so whatever nature will give us, that one we will accept. Okay, so when we started our journey, it was raining. Still it is raining, so now what to do? We will go there. That is our target actually. But riding this kind of atmosphere, you have to be very, very careful about braking. Especially if you have to brake, then always do engine braking, not regular braking. In regular braking, what we do, first of all, we grip or grasp the clutch, then later on we brake. But in engine braking, first of all, you have to grip or grasp your brake, and later on when you will find that your machine or engine is getting off, at the time just you will touch the clutch. So first of all brake, and later on when you will find that your bike is getting off, at the time you will touch your clutch so that you can run actually. So this is a new experience. Usually we go in fine weather, but this is troublesome weather. Still we are riding. In one point we waited for others so that we can go together. Then again we started and we are going towards Mawa. This is the end of the highway and we are waiting for one of our teammates. Now let's go to Mawa. First of all, we will have our breakfast.
আমি খুবই হতাশ হয়েছিলাম যে আসলে সময়টা ছাড়া তো আমাদের ট্রিপটা আর আপনার এই যে মূল্যবান কথা স্যার, এগুলো দেখো না হলে হবে না। এগুলো অন রেকর্ডে থাকতে হবে।
আমরা দেখছেন কবুতরের জোড়া।
আসেন ভাই। খাইরুল, যেটা হচ্ছে হুমায়ুন, আমার কাছে ইলিশের কোন টেস্টটা এখনো লেগে আছে। আমি আজকে সকালেও সেই টেস্ট পাচ্ছি। যেটা হচ্ছে, যেটা বোনা করা হয়েছিল মাছটা মনে আছে, দুইটা করছিলাম, একটা ফ্রাই একটা বোনা। বোনাটা এখনো প্রতি মুহূর্তে
জিভে জল চলে আসছে।
এই ব্যাপারটা আমার,
আমরা দুপুরে ওইটাই করি।
To go to Bhanga, first of all we have to cross the Podda river, so we are going towards the ferry, but this road is not good at all, so be careful here. We are on the ferry. On the ferry there was huge crowd, but fortunately we could manage a VIP room and we took rest there, and also we could took some picture of the Podda river and Podda bridge. This is the junction and it's beautiful. If you see some drone shot, then you will understand how beautiful it looks. And you can go to Borishal and Khulna, Faridpur and Dhaka.
Excellent view, excellent picture you can take here. Excellent road has been made here. Look at this, we are taking photograph here. Everybody is enjoying. Although the name is Bhanga, in English we say broken, but I can guarantee nowhere you will find much plain road in Bangladesh. Very beautiful road, lots of roads are here. This road behind me goes to Khulna, then in my right, then this road goes to Faridpur.
Now what if we take some tea? And this is the last time to photo session.
এই জায়গার রোড মানে আওর করতে ড্রাইভারের এক সপ্তাহ লাগে, ঠিক আছে? যে এটা কোনটা কোন দিকে গেল, আরে বেটা তুই মারবো তোরে মারবো আমি, তুই আমার ব্যাগ সহ ছবি তুলিস কে? ছবি তুলে ফেলতে হবে এখন, কারণ আজ এরপরে আরো গ্রুপ ছবি তোলার এই তো অবশ্যই কোনটা কি চলে আসছে। হ্যালো, এনজয়িং টু মাচ।
আমরা চলে এসেছি সৌন্দর্যপূর্ণ একটা মুহূর্ত, এবং এত সুন্দর আসলে বাংলাদেশটা ঘুরে ঘুরে দেখা প্রত্যেকের নাগরিকের উচিত। যে বাংলাদেশ কত সুন্দর হচ্ছে,
সুযোগ পাইছে আর বলতেছ নাকি?
এটাই তো সুযোগ। বলো মাস্কগুলো এর মতো লোক বাংলাদেশকে করোনা যুক্ত করে ফেলছে, এখন করোনা মুক্ত।
অনেক সুন্দর জায়গা,
অনেক-
অনেকগুলো রাস্তা এখানে নেই। এখানে পাশেই আমাদের মাজার মাতার কবির বাড়ি।
Now this is the time to reach home. Unfortunately, it started raining again, but no problem, no hurries. We will ride very gently so that we can reach home safe and sound. Thank you so much for watching this video, and within a short time we will plan for another tour, and then we will share our memories with you, and then we will talk to you. Thank you, tata, bye bye, keep well. Last but not the least, love your country and do something for the humanity.